offering salutations at Bhagwan's divine lotus feet. Grateful to Bhagwan and grateful to all of you for giving me this opportunity and blessing to learn the bhajan together and practice together in this wonderful centenary offering called Shatam. So the first bhajan is Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari. Yes, so this, as all of you know, is about Devi, the mother, Swami as Sai Mata, the mother. The lyrics are as follows: Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari. Mangala means auspiciousness. Shubhakari, the one who bestows goodness. So Mangala Shubhakari, the one who bestows auspiciousness and goodness. She is the mother, Mata Maheshwari, another name to her as the Maheshwari, Parameshwari. Ambe Bhavani, O dear mother, who is also called the Bhavani. Akhilandeshwari. Akhilandeshwari she is the mother of all the Akhila Jagat, as we say, the entirety. Ambe Bhavani, Akhilandeshwari. The next line is Rajiva Lochani, Raja Rajeshwari. Rajiva Lochani means the one who is lotus-eyed. Raja Rajeshwari. So she is the Rajeshwari. In the sense, Raja Rajeshwari means here generally we call the deities as king of kings, right? Here she is referred to as the main empress, Raja Rajeshwari. She is the ultimate. Lalita Tripura Sundari is one of the names as Raja Rajeshwari. Adi Parashakti. She is the primordial one. Adi Parashakti, Shri Parameshwari, again calling her by different names. Ananda Rupini, the one who is always in bliss, none other than our Sai Shiva Shankari, our mother, dear Sai. So these are the lyrics of this bhajan. Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari, Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari, Rajiva Lochani Raja Rajeshwari, Adi Parashakti Shri Parameshwari, Ananda Rupini Sai Shiva Shankari. And the ideal Shruti for men would be 2 Pancham or 2.5 Pancham, and those who can go high can sing in 3 Pancham also. The one, somebody, if you have a very baritone voice, can also do C sharp. But for women, generally it starts with G sharp or A, which is 5, 5.5 or 6. And today, just for a mutual convenience of me and Sister Pavitra, we would be doing it in the Shruti G. So a couple of the first few lines I will be doing in higher octave and then go down, ma'am. So we can adjust accordingly with that. Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Mangala. So we go down there.
Mangala
Shubhakari.
Shubhakari.
Bha. Shubhakari.
Shubhakari
Mata Maheshwari.
Mata Maheshwari.
Let's do the whole line. Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
Again Bhavani, BHA. Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
Ambe Bhavani अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
So, Ambe Bhavani, stay there, and then Akhilandeshwari.
Okay. Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
You can also split the word there because from Bhavani, if you want to start Akhilandeshwari, it would be Bhavani Akhiland. Otherwise, if you are going to do on the same breath, then you'll have to jump the note.
Okay.
It will become like that. So it would be Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Rajivalochani Rajarajeshwari.
Rajivalochani Rajarajeshwari.
Rajivalochani Tanana.
Rajivalochani Rajarajeshwari.
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 The whole line. Rajivalochani Rajarajeshwari.
Rajivalochani
Lochani.
Rajivalochani Rajarajeshwari.
Adi Parashakti Shri Parameshwari.
Adi Parashakti Shri Parameshwari.
Adi Parashakti Shri Parameshwari.
Adi Parashakti Shri Parameshwari.
Anandarupini Sai Shiva Shankari.
Anandarupini Sai Shiva Shankari.
Anandarupini Sai Shiva Shankari.
Anandarupini Sai Shiva Shankari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
Ambe Bhavani Akhilandeshwari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Mangala Shubhakari Mata Maheshwari.
Rajivalochani Rajarajeshwari.
Rajivalochani Rajarajeshwari.
Adi Parashakti Shri Parameshwari.
Adi Parashakti Shri Parameshwari.
Anandarupini Sai Shiva Shankari.
Anandarupini Sai Shiva Shankari.
Anandarupini Sai शिवशङ्करी.
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी.
So in the fast beat, we'll sing every line once. So whatever turns or curves we have, we'll try to make it simpler. So मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी.
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी.
मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी.
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी.
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी.
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी.
आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी.
आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी.
आनंद रूपिणी साई शिवशङ्करी.
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी.
आनन्दरूपिणी साई शिवशङ्करी.
आनन्दरूपिणि साई शिवशङ्करी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी. Are there any questions? Do you any lines that you specifically have doubt about?
Rajivalochani, if you could go over that one more time.
Yeah, so this is mostly like an aesthetic change that I'm talking about, or a version change. So the version that you are singing is Rajivalochani Rajeshwari. So you are singing Lochani, but what we have been singing in Prashanti Nilayam is Rajivalochani Ta-na-na.
Lochani.
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 Yes. Lochani.
Lochani.
Yes. That is the only difference. Again, there is nothing like right or wrong in this, but this is the version that we sing. So I was just trying to give you that idea. That's all.
Yeah, that was the one thing that I was not able to place the.
Yeah, I think that's also possible because when you sing in a certain version for a very long time, it gets, that's the style that gets.
No, this is my first time hearing this song.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay.
This is my first time. I actually looked up the lyrics so I can be friendly.
Okay, nice. So yeah, but actually many centers or other samitis in India, I think they tend to sing that version. Rajivalochani. Yeah.
Okay. Rajivalochani is just one.
No. Lochani.
Lochani.
Yeah. This is one of the oldest old bhajans. It's I think so. Yeah, it was sung from very old. Both the bhajans today that we are singing are very old bhajans.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to pick up some vintage ones. Yeah. Okay. Rajivalochani. Lochani.
Yes.
Rajivalochani. Okay. I think I got it.
So now we do the other way, right? So you will sing and I will follow.
Okay.
Is that correct? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to try my best.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी अम्-
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी.
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
So you can Ambe Bhavani.
अम्बे भवानी अखिल
Akhilandeshwari.
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी. It needs to go further down.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. अम्-
Akhilandeshwari.
अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
Ambe Bhavani. Akhilandeshwari.
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
Yes. Can you do that line again? I'll follow.
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी
अम्बे भवानी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी.
राजीवलो राजीव oh, that's the
Yeah, no
part.
problem. राजीवलोचनी.
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी.
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी
राजीवलोचनी राजेश्वरी.
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
So आदिपराशक्ति.
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी.
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी
आदिपराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी.
आनन्दरूपिणी साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणी साई शिवशङ्करी.
आनन्दरूपिणी साई शिवशङ्करी
आनन्दरूपिणी साई शिवशङ्करी.
मङ्गलशुभकरी माता महेश्वरी. Thank you.